North Korea, it's beyond belief. Population 22 million. Freedom House reports that 15% of the population, that's 3 million North Korean people, have died due to disease and starvation over the last 10 years. Hunger is so widespread that hundreds of thousands of North Korean children are so chronically malnourished that their growth has been stunted. The average North Korean is nearly 8 inches shorter than their South Korean counterpart and weigh half as much. The malnourishment is so bad that children have cataracts because there's no nourishment at all. Defectors have reported cases of cannibalism. Have a major humanitarian crisis here. Cannibalism. Sound the alarm. United Nations World Food Program feeds 6.5 million North Korean people. Almost a third of North Korea's long-suffering population relies on international food aid to survive because North Korea's dictator Kim Jong-il's food rationing system collapsed. China prevents the United Nations from calling North Korea's hunger a famine. China forces the United Nations to allow Kim Jong-il to control food, assuring it gets channeled to Kim's cronies. China provides 90% of North Korea's oil by pipeline, and any reduction of oil shipments could cripple North Korea's already weakened economy. If China wanted to end the crisis in North Korea, couldn't do it like that. As many as 300,000 North Koreans have fled to northern China, but Beijing won't let relief groups assist them, so refugees are victimized by locals into slavery and prostitution or returned to North Korea for a death sentence. China's communist dictators are in clear violation of their obligation to the 1951 Refugees Convention because they return escapees back to North Korea, who then get executed in public by firing squad because it's against the law to leave the country without permission.
These people have committed the crime most damaging to North Korea's leader, Kim Jong-il. They made contact with the outside world. Three policemen stepped forward and raised their rifles. On the left, a prisoner is tied to a pole. The next day, a different town, another public execution for the same crimes, helping people escape to the outside world.